In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set goals and objectives in Asana. Understanding how to effectively set goals in Asana can transform your projects and productivity. Before we jump in, ensure you're signed in and familiar with Asana's interface. This will make it easier to follow along. Start by navigating to the left-hand panel of your Asana dashboard. Here, you'll find a section labeled Goals. Go ahead and click on that. In this section, you'll manage all your goals, giving your projects direction and measurable progress. Once you're in the Goals section, look for the option to Create Goal. Clicking this will open the goal creation window where you'll input details about your new goal. First things first, enter the title for your goal. It's important to choose a title that's descriptive and concise so that anyone looking at it instantly understands the purpose. Next, set the goal owner. The goal owner will be the person responsible for ensuring the goal progresses. This is a crucial step as it designates accountability. Following that, you can add members who will work on achieving this goal. This step helps foster collaboration and keeps everyone involved informed and engaged. It's particularly beneficial for larger teams where roles might overlap. Then, you will want to set a time period for your goal. Establishing a clear time frame helps keep momentum and ensures that progress stays on track. It can be helpful to align the time period with your team's broader milestones or quarterly objectives. Another significant setting is the goal's privacy level. Consider who should have visibility of this goal. If it's a broader company objective, you might want to set it to public, but if it's a team-specific goal, keeping it private might be more appropriate. Once you've filled in all these details, go ahead and click Save Goal. Now that your goal is created, it's time to configure progress settings. Look for the option that says Progress Settings and give it a click. Here, you can select your project's source. Asana allows you to track this through sub-goals, projects, tasks, or even manually if you prefer to input progress yourself. If you decide to track the goal through projects, you'll need to choose which specific project you want the goal to monitor. Make your selection aptly based on how you wish to measure success. Lastly, if your goal requires more detailed tracking, consider breaking it down further by adding sub-goals or additional objectives. You can do this easily by clicking the plus sign located below the goal you've just created. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a goal and its tracking metrics in Asana. This structured approach will help keep your team aligned and enhance your workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and happy goal setting.